India is synonymous with rich history dating back to thousands of years. It is translated to this number of monuments that have survived the test of time and continue to attract thousands of tourists. UNESCO has identified monuments in India and has recognized them as World Heritage Sites. To be recognized as a World Heritage Site, UNESCO identifies a landmark that is unique in geographical, cultural, and historically unique to the region. It should have a cultural significance. In this video, we shall look at some of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of India. Ramappa Temple. Recently, UNESCO has declared this temple as a World Heritage Site. It is located in Warangal, Telangana. Built by the Kakatiyas, it is a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple is named after Ramappa, its chief sculptor. The temple is loaded with intricate carvings on its walls, pillars, and ceiling. Mountain Railways of India. There are three mountain railway lines. Number 1, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. Number 2, Kalka Shimla Railway, Himachal Pradesh. Number 3, Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Darjeeling, West Bengal. These railway lines are more than 100 years old. Introduced during the colonial times, traveling in these trains is a unique experience. Red Fort. The Red Fort is located in New Delhi. Built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, it is made up of red sandstone, thus earning it the name. This monument is synonymous with Republic Day and Independence Day celebrations. Dholavira. Dholavira is located in Gujarat. It is an ancient city. History suggests that it is a part of the Indus Valley civilization thousands of years ago. The city was discovered in the 1990s, but in 2021, it received the World Heritage status. Kaziranga National Park. The Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam. It was declared as a World Heritage Site in 1985. It is the home to the one-horned rhinoceros and is located along the Brahmaputra River. This park takes pride in preserving and increasing the population of the one-horned rhinoceros when it was on the brink of extinction. Are you surprised by hearing about these places? What if we told you that there are many more places in India which are declared as World Heritage Sites? Anyone who visits these places have high chances of being surprised by its grandeur and historical significance. This proves that India is a home to rich history, and that makes us unique.